Дальность 0,6, скорость 0,26.
Range is 0.6, range rate is 0.26. The crosshairs are aligned and the target is in the center of the screen.
The Soyuz now within 50 meters of docking. So far, so good. All of the systems functioning in perfect fashion for this brand new spacecraft.
The target is in the center of the screen. We copy.
Дальность
0.48 is the range, 0.21 range rate. The crosshairs are aligned. And we have the SS weapon docking and internal transfer system. LED is illuminated. The SS weapon docking mechanism is primed. We copy.
That call indicating that the brand new LED light, basically a new headlight on the Soyuz spacecraft, that was turned on to illuminate the docking target for situational awareness for evolution, and the docking mechanism is powered up.
The target is in the center of the screen. Visually, the range is 30 meters. We copy. Master copies. Range is 33. 33 range rate is 0.16, and visually the range is 25 meters. We copy. Range is 30, range rate is 0.12, and the crosshairs are aligned. There is degree discrepancy. We copy.
A good view of the approaching Soyuz craft. The middle section is the descent module. That's where the 3 crew members are strapped in the final few feet prior to contact and capture, and their arrival at the International Space Station.
And I sent the ARC command.
скорость.
0.24 is the range, 0.14 is range rate, and there is 1 degree discrepancy. The crosshairs are aligned. There is a slight roll.
Approaching 20 meters between the Soyuz and the International Space Station. You can see the crosshairs on this engineering camera on the Soyuz spacecraft coming into alignment with the docking target as planned. The 2 vehicles, the Soyuz and the space station, 254 statute miles over the South Pacific.
In roll. Range is 0.16, range rate is 0.11. Visually, the crosshairs are aligned. Visually, the range is 0.1, 10 meters, and there is 1 degree of deviation. Range is 14 meters, and the crosshairs are aligned. Visually, the range is 8 meters. Range is 13, range rate is 13, 1 degree down from the crosshairs. The crosshairs are aligned, 6 meter range.
just inside 10 meters now as we stand by for contact and capture of the International Space Station.
In the center of the monitor, and visually the range is about 4 meters. Copy. The target is in the center. There is a slight misalignment in the crosshairs. Range is 3. The roll has stabilized. There is no roll now. There is no roll deviation. We're approaching really nicely. Okay, we see it on the camera. We are standing by for contact. Contact
for this upgraded Soyuz vehicle.
Retraction 070635. Okay. All right, we're working per page R7, command, wide angle, camera, view. R7 command.
As the docking probe begins to retract on the Soyuz to basically pull itself into a hard mate with the International Space Station. At 11:06 p.m. Central Time, 12:06 a.m. Eastern Time, as Soyuz and the International Space Station flew 254 statute miles over the South Pacific.
17.
Statute miles over the South Pacific.
17. We copy. And with fleet check from you guys. Copy. All right, first measurement. At 0708. SA pressure 838. BO pressure 826. 838. 838. TO pressure. Copy.
Those initial measurements of the pressure integrity of the newly arrived Soyuz spacecraft at the International Space Station will inaugurate about 2 hours and 40 minutes worth of testing and leak checks that will lead to the hatch opening that is scheduled at approximately 1:50 a.m. Central Time, 2:50 a.m. Eastern Time on Saturday morning. Again, docking was flawless. A textbook approach of the new Soyuz spacecraft, and all of its new systems having been successfully tested over a 48-hour period following its launch from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan in the early morning hours of Thursday Baikonur time.